How to fix WhatsApp status not showing when sharing Instagram Reels. So if you go ahead and pull up your Instagram application right here, and say for example, we're going to share any random post here. So if you clicked on the share button, if your WhatsApp option is not visible here, here are a few simple steps for you to be able to fix it. First is open up your Google Play Store or wherever you downloaded Instagram. Type in Instagram in here. And this is where you can make sure that the Instagram you're using is going to be the updated or the most latest version of the app for you to be able to have that feature. Next is pull up your Instagram icon, tap and hold in it, and then go into the eye icon that will redirect you into the app info. Now go to storage there. So you just need to clear data and clear cache. Once you do this, your Instagram will be logged out. Just simply re-log in and try and check if the WhatsApp icon is already showing. And that is how you fix WhatsApp status not showing when sharing Instagram Reels.